So you have been straightening your hair for years but never get that lightweight, glass-like finish. Stay with me. By the end of this tutorial, you will understand exactly how to prep, section, blow dry, and press your hair like a professional. Let us begin. The silk press is not just flat ironing. It is a complete system. It starts with proper cleansing, moves through tension drying, finishes with controlled heat application, and ends with strategic cooling and sealing. When you skip one step, the entire result collapses. Hair looks weighed down. Shine disappears within hours. Frizz returns by the next morning. This tutorial fixes that. We will cover water temperature, product layering, brush tension, iron temperature mapping, and post-style maintenance. Every detail matters. Every decision changes the outcome. Start with dry hair. Never begin a silk press on soaking wet strands. Wet hair stretches, and stretching under heat causes irreversible damage. If your hair is freshly washed, blow dry it to about 80% dryness before sectioning. If your hair has heavy product buildup, clarifying is mandatory. Silicones, oils, and styling creams create a barrier that prevents heat from distributing evenly. The result is patchy straightening and dullness. Use a gentle clarifying shampoo once a week. Focus on the scalp. Massage with fingertips, not nails. Rinse thoroughly. Follow with a lightweight moisturizing conditioner applied only from mid-lengths to ends. Leave it on for 2 minutes. Rinse with cool water to close the cuticle. Cool water is non-negotiable. Hot water keeps the cuticle open, which invites frizz later. After washing, gently squeeze out excess water with a microfiber towel. Never rub. Rubbing creates friction, friction creates frizz, and frizz destroys straightening results. Apply a heat protectant spray while hair is still damp. Look for a formula containing polymers and silicones that form a thermal barrier. Avoid heavy oils at this stage. They will fry under the iron. Spray evenly, section by section. Use a wide-tooth comb to distribute the product from root to tip. Do not skip this step. Heat protectant is not optional. It is the foundation of damage-free straightening. Divide your hair into 4 sections. Clip each section securely. Working in small, manageable parts ensures even heat distribution and consistent results. Start at the nape of your neck. Take a horizontal subsection about 1 inch thick. Place a tension brush underneath the hair, close to the roots. Use a paddle brush for straightening or a round brush for slight volume. Tension is everything. Pull the brush downward with steady pressure while directing the blow dryer nozzle along the hair shaft, following the brush. Keep the dryer moving. Never hold it in one spot. The airflow should travel from roots to ends. This smooths the cuticle and removes moisture evenly. Repeat this process across all 4 sections until your hair is completely dry and straightish. It will not be perfect yet. That is normal. The blowout only removes 80% of the moisture and establishes the baseline shape. The flat iron finishes the work. Before flat ironing, ensure your hair is completely dry. Even slight dampness will steam under the iron, causing bubbles, breakage, and permanent damage. Check the ends. If they feel cool or slightly damp, blow dry for another 2 minutes. Now, set your flat iron to the correct temperature. Fine or color-treated hair. 300 to 320 degrees Fahrenheit. Medium thickness, 340 to 360 degrees. Coarse, thick, or highly textured hair, 380 to 400 degrees. Never exceed 400. Higher heat does not straighten faster. It burns. Adjust based on your hair type, not on guesswork. Take a thin horizontal section, no wider than the plates. Apply 1 drop of lightweight serum to your palms, rub them together, and lightly glaze over the section. Too much serum will weigh hair down. Too little will leave it exposed. Now, clamp the iron at the root. Glide it down in one smooth, continuous motion. Do not stop. Do not clamp multiple times. 1 pass is ideal. 2 passes maximum. If you need a third, your temperature is wrong or your hair is not fully dry. Repeat this across all sections, working upward from the nape. Keep your wrist steady. Maintain consistent tension. Listen to the sound. Healthy straightening makes a soft whisper. Damaging straightening makes a sharp sizzle. The top layer is your showcase. Once the under sections are complete, release the crown area. Take smaller sections here. The top layer catches the most light and receives the most attention. Glide the iron slowly. Focus on the mid-lengths and ends, where frizz typically hides. Avoid clamping directly at the scalp to prevent root flattening. You want lift, not paste to the head straightness. After the final pass, do not touch your hair immediately. Let it cool completely. Cooling sets the shape. Heat makes hair pliable. Cold makes it hold. This is called thermal setting. Rushing this step guarantees early frizz and long